There are books and then there are textbooks. Now, reading a textbook can always feel a little daunting because you read it with an intention to remember whatever you're reading. And they're also written that way, right? Textbooks are often bulky and they're written in depth so that the reader, whoever is reading it, is becoming an expert at it. Now, non-textbooks, they are free from all of these burdens, so they are more interesting to read. Now, in this video, I wanted to recommend one book, which is a non-fiction book. It is interesting and it is related to electrical engineering. So that is this book, AC/DC. It is The Savage Tale of the First Standards War. Now, before I talk about this book, a very warm welcome to the channel. And if this is the first time you are watching a video on this channel, then don't forget to check out other content and make sure to subscribe. So what does this book talk about? It is essentially the story of electricity starting from the time it was first discovered to the times bulb was invented to the power systems, but it is majorly focused on the history of power systems. So this First Standards War that is written here, so he's talking about the war, the industrial war between AC power systems and DC power systems. So we obviously know who won in the end. AC has won, but DC has actually come up first. Edison was the one who has come up with the DC power system. So we get to hear a lot of his story actually from the times he invented the bulb and how he actually got investors to invest in his idea. So that is one interesting chapter that you can look out for. And then Tesla comes and he literally overturns all of Edison's life and work with his ideas on AC power systems. And because of that, Edison is a little depressed and he's starting to doubt himself. So there's a lot of human emotions going around as well in this book. And finally, they talk about the HVDC systems as well and how DC has made a comeback with the HVDC systems. So that is all about this book. That is the very many things that are covered in this book. And I feel that it is sort of a must read for all electrical engineers to get an idea about industry as well, because engineering is after all application. It's not just theory, not just reading in the classroom or solving problems. It is about application and industrial application, how it actually works out in industries. That is something that you need to understand. So that is all about the book. I hope I have intrigued you enough to go and read this one-of-a-kind book on electricity. And that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching till now. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment.